algebraic expressions are having otherwise variables not having the non-negative exponents means negative లో ఉండదు ఓన్లీ పాజిటివ్ లోనే ఉండాలి. Then I am taking some examples of problems here. If I am taking 3x, see this, it is a variable and it is a constant. First of all, it is a algebraic term or not? Yes, it is a algebraic term. Both are having positive one constant and one variable also. Then it is polynomial. Non-negative exponents means exponent part లో negative part అనేది లేదు. Then it is 3x is a polynomial. Next I am taking one more example. 4x to the power of 2. It is also positive degree. Then 4x square. It is also polynomial. Then I am taking x by 4. Is a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because your variable part అంటే variables అనేవి variables are not in the denominator part. Variables are not in the denominator part and variables not having the negative powers. Then it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial if, for example, it is in reverse order, that is 4 by x. See this, your variable in the denominator part ante it is rational number in the denominator part having the variable, then it is a not a polynomial. It is polynomial, it is also polynomial, it is also polynomial. One more example. I am taking root 3x, only root for only 3. Numerical values are having negative or positive or root values, whatever it is, but variables does not having the negative powers and root values. If they are having the some root values, then that values are not satisfy the algebraic expression, then it is not a polynomial. Root 3 is a numerical value. Numerical values to మనకి సంబంధం లేదు. Then x only positive number. It is not having the root values and non-negative exponents. Then it is a polynomial. In case I am taking root 3x. Root 3x. Completely I am taking 3 and x per root. Then it is not a polynomial. Why, sir? Means it is a root. You can convert it into third form. 3x to the power of 1 by 2. Then 3x, this 1 by 2 can be written as a minus 2. See this? It is a negative exponent. It is a negative exponent, then it is a not a polynomial. Hey, one more thing. I am taking 1 by root 2 of x. 1 by root 2 of x. See this x? It is not having the denominator part. If it is having denominator parts also, it is nothing will happen. Why? Because numerical value is root value. That variable term not having negative power, then it is a polynomial. In case 1 by root 2x, then see, it is again negative exponent, then it is a not a polynomial. In case, for example, I am taking x cube by x, it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. Observe the given fraction. It is x cube and it is x. Then cancel x and 1x here. You are getting the only x square. Then see, after simplifying, you are getting only positive terms, means positive exponent of the variable. Then it is also a polynomial. In case I am taking x cube by x to the power of 4. After cancellation, this one 3, here 4s are there. Then 1 by x is the answer. Then see, it is not a polynomial. Why? Because this can be written as a x to the power of minus 1. 1 by x, then it is in the denominator part. That denominator part I am remodifying to x to the power of minus 1. Then it is a not a polynomial. Is it clear of polynomials? Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of x. The highest power of x in that given polynomial, that is p of x, is called the degree of the polynomial. If for example 2x 3 and 4x plus 9. Observe the polynomial. It is a constant. You are not calculated by this constant. Then you are taking the only variable parts only. This variable part having the degrees only 1. This variable part having the degrees 3. Then in these two, which one is the highest? 3 is the highest. Then degree of the polynomial is degree of poly is equal to, I am taking 3. Okay now, highest one only you should take the highest power only. What is the highest? 3. Then the polynomial degree of the polynomial is 3. Then degree of polynomials are, you are taking the different two types, that are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, like that. You have so many degree of the polynomials are there. First one is a linear polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. X plus 1. See, in this given expression, x plus 1 only there. Then it is a constant, it is a variable. Then this variable degree is how much, Nana? Nothing. Nothing means there is a 1. So this is linear polynomial. And general form of the linear polynomial is general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b is equal to 0. General form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b is equal to 0. It is a linear polynomial. Okay now, x and constant here, but in this only x square, x term is not there, sir. In that polynomial x term is not there, means x term is there or not there, that's not important. In that given equation or given expression having the degree or not, that degree is 2 or not, yes, that degree is highest degree is 2 here, then the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Then I am going to cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Same definition, the highest degree of p of x is, cubic means 3. The general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. A, B, C, D. I am writing all x's except to that constant. In orderly 3, 2, 1. That is the, here also I am writing the cubic polynomial means there is a 3 terms are there. In that 3 terms, last one is a constant. Remaining 2, I am taking x. Highest degree is 2 there, means 2 and 1. In this cubic, A, B, C, D, ఒకటి ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకోవాలి. క్యూబిక్ అన్నప్పుడు 4 టర్మ్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. లాస్ట్ ది ఈస్ యువర్ కాన్స్టెంట్. రిమైనింగ్ 3 టర్మ్స్ యు కీప్ ఇన్ xx. In that x is cube, 2 and 1. That is the order of the polynomial. Polynomial means if p of x is a one polynomial, means you take any one polynomial, and if the k is any real number, means you will take x value by substituting 1, 2, 3 or whatever it is. So I am taking the k, definition part I am taking k in a real number. Then the value obtained by replacing of x by k. Then p of x is called as a value of the polynomial. If for example I am taking p of x is equal to x cube plus 2x plus x square 8x minus 8. Then what is the I am substituting it, for example, I am substituting 2. Then what is the result? Just to replace it by x is equal to 2 in this polynomial. P of 2, then 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square plus 8 into 2 minus 8. Then 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 into 2 is 8. It is 16 minus 8. Then plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Then value of this polynomial is equal to at 2 is equal to what? 8. It is the definition part of the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial means if p of x is a polynomial in x and if k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing by x by k in p of x, we get 0. Okay, then in p of x, you are so replacing by x by k, x by k in p of x, we get result is 0. Then the polynomial is called 0 of polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Say for example, I am taking one more example. See I am taking this polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus 8 minus 16. Then I am replacing by 2. 2 cube minus 2 square 8 into 2 minus 16. Then what is the result? See once. Minus 16 plus 16 is cancelled. What do you get? 0 or not? Then it is the 0 of the polynomial. You are getting 0, then it is the 0 of the polynomial of the cubic polynomial. What are the constants? What are the degree of the polynomial and what is the constant term? What are the coefficients? First topic is coefficients of the polynomial. Coefficients means beside the variable terms are coefficients. Beside the variable terms are called coefficients. It is the variable, it is also variable. Then what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is equal to 8. Coefficient of x square is equal to 2. Coefficient of x cube is nothing, there means there is a 1. That are the coefficients. Coefficient of x cube is here 1. Same thing I am writing. Coefficient of x square is equal is minus 2 here. Coefficient of x square term is minus 2. Same thing. Coefficient of x term is coefficient of 8. కోఎఫిషియంట్ దాంట్లోనే ఉంది. జనరల్లీ మనం గేమ్స్ ఆడతాం కో అంటే నీకన్నా ముందు ఉన్న వాళ్ళని కో ఇచ్చి ముందు పంపించడం, అంటే దానికన్నా ముందు ఉన్నది మనం తీసుకునేదాన్ని కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ అంటారు. కోఎఫిషియెంట్ మీన్స్ బిఫోర్ ది వేరియబుల్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ 2 is the coefficient of x square. ఇది దీనికి కో అవుతుంది, దీనికి ఇది కో అవుతుంది. కో x square is the x square coefficient is 2. 2 coefficient is x square. According to you are taking the variables, you are taking the numerical values, but they are asking the coefficient of numerical values. Coefficient of minus 2 is x square. Coefficient of 1 is 8 is x. Whatever it is, that is దాని పక్కన ఉన్న వాటిని కోఎఫిషియంట్ గా తీసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ది పాలినామిల్. Already you learned degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? In that given complete polynomial, observe the complete polynomial. All variables. In that all variables having the what is the highest degree of the polynomial? అంటే highest power లో ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మనం degree of the polynomial గా తీసుకుంటాం. Degree of the polynomial. See, it is a constant. It is a 1. It is 2. It is 3. Only powers only you observe. In that powers, which one is the highest? 3. Then degree of the polynomial is 3. Then constant term is what now? Without any variable terms. Okay, it is not having the any variables. That terms are called constant term. See this? 1 has variable x cube, minus 2 has x square term, and x is 8, but 16 not having the any variables. 16 is a numerical value, then that 16 is a constant term here. Okay, minus 16. If there is a plus is there means you can take plus value. If there is a minus is there, you can take that is a minus. Is it clear for the topic of coefficients, degree and constants? Is it clear or not?